Starshipit's address validation tool auto-corrects errors in the customer's address according to shipping constraints. In this tutorial, we'll run through how to validate addresses with one click. To auto-validate addresses, go to the Orders screen and click Check Addresses to filter the invalid orders. Once you see a list of the invalid orders, select the orders you want to correct, click Update. To manually edit addresses, simply go to the Orders screen, then identify the invalid address by the red exclamation mark symbol next to the customer's name. Click the order number, then click the pencil icon to manually edit the address. Click Check Address to validate it. Click Confirm to save your changes, then click Save again. Visit our knowledge base for more helpful tips and tutorials.